Today I'm working on making a friction fire set, a spindle and a fireboard. And I'm making it out of incense cedar, which I have here, which is just a dried dead stick. But I'm going to make it with primitive tools. Not sure why, but I was just thinking I'm just going to work on just making this. Oh, there it went in the water. In my garage. It started getting so hot, so I ended up moving down to the creek here. I think we'll go ahead and use this piece to try to make a spindle out of. Instead of, like a normal knife, or if you had an axe, you might try carving off that edge, but I don't have a normal knife. So, I'm going to chip off the edge. Chisel off the edge, I should say. Busted the tip off, and this is my best chisel too. Guess I'll try to take smaller bites off. Wish I had a log or something to do this on instead of a rock, but I don't at this point. We'll be using this section right here. I don't want to put too much pressure on these wedges because they are just antler, a thin piece of antler, so they can break pretty easy. So if I can use more than one in conjunction with another, that'll help. They'll work together. Probably a big no-no doing this over a rock. There's a spark. There, boy. Hi there, old man. How you doing? There we go. Seems a little bit curved, so I'm going to trim some of that edge off. I'm going to be more careful now that I cut it off short, because before I could hang on to it back here. Now I can't. I'm scared I'm going to cut myself. I'm so scared. A little bit of a curve, but let's just see what happens. I could use a little bit of trimming up. Just to eliminate some of the friction. I think we got it that time. Oh yeah. There's my little coal. My little precious. So there's my primitive tools that I used to make my spindle. Mainly used, well actually I didn't use my knife, but used a lot of wedges. Used mainly the wedges to get it down to the basic shape before I started scraping it to roundness. A bigger scraper would be nice, but it worked. And my hand axe. So there you have it, primitive spindle. You don't show up at my camp very often.
You want me to, Dad?
Micah, I'm fine, really. Ah.
You gotta pick up your feet when you walk in the forest. Hey, you wanna rock this at all?
Squat on a rock.
Rock squat. Hi there.
Hi. Is that thing on? Pointing at me?
What thing?
The camera.
Oh, look at this.
Don't go turning it on.
Okay, fine.
Point it away from me. Okay, the wood swell. Don't do that.
Trying really hard to grow. Hi there.
You're turn that on.
Does it look like it's on? Doesn't look like it's on.
You're right, it doesn't look like it's on, but is it on? Because you know how I feel about cameras.
I have a fire going.
You're so good at evading a direct question.
Yeah. Across the creek and just a variety. Say bye-bye.